Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about Kisho inu token net. Guys, what's going on in the Kisho inu? And guys, this video is also a good news video for all of you guys. Very congratulations to all Kisho inu holders, because once again Kisho and Shiba Inu start positive changes, and I believe, as I predicated guys in my previous videos in September, that Kisho and Shiba Inu price will pump in October, guys. So from the beginning of October, you found Kisho inu and Shiba Inu positive, guys. But from yesterday, Kisho inu and Shiba Inu yesterday, for some time the price dumps. The price changes negative. But again, now in the right now situation, and currently you can see here, guys, that the Kisho inu price is positive 2.61%, guys. Again, the changes of Kisho inu start positive, guys. And I already told you about Kisho inu, guys, that Kisho inu pump, Kisho and Shiba Inu both will pump to the last of October, guys. So don't miss this October opportunity, guys. It's a pumping month. The right now price of Kisho inu is still very low, guys. 0.0000001236. That is the right now price of Kisho inu, guys. So very low price. I recommend for all of you, especially for new those people who want to invest in a Kisho inu. So I recommend buying, guys. You can see here just this period. You can see here and here, these both changes is a green. Only for here sometime the Kisho inu in also Shiba Inu price dump. So a lot of people decide to sell, but they are in the loss, guys. Now again buy, and it's a profit time, guys. So don't miss this profit opportunity, guys. Don't miss. You can see here now again the people investing more and more. 7.14% trading volume increase just in last 24 hours, guys. So guys, my personal recommendation, my personal suggestion for all of you is that it's a profit time, it's a holding time. Just hold and make yourself rich. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.